In this video, you will learn how to add a back to top button to your WordPress site without plugins. As you can see, by scrolling the page, the back to top button appears with beautiful fade and animation. As expected, clicking the button will take you to the top of the page. You can increase or decrease the size of this button or move its location from right to left. Here you can see some examples of beautiful icons. At the end of the video, I will tell you how to change the icon of this button to your liking. Let's get started. At the beginning, you should know that many themes have the scroll to top button by default. For example, you can activate this button in the general section of the Blocksy theme. The problem with the default scroll to top button is that it doesn't allow you to customize it or use custom icons. Let's disable the theme scroll to top button and use our own one. Go to the link in the description. Copy this PHP code. By clicking on the copy button, this code will be copied. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Theme File Editor and open the functions.php file. Remember, you must create a child theme before making any changes to functions.php. Otherwise, the applied changes will be lost after each update. Watch video number 1 on the channel to learn how to make a child theme. Paste the code into the functions.php and update the file. Now go back to the website and check the result. As you can see, the scroll to top button was successfully displayed. Here you can move the button to the right or left side of the screen. Here you can change the scale of the button. And in this section, you should put the SVG code of your icon. There are 3 icons on this page that you can use for free. You can see the new scroll to top icon. Let's try the third icon. The rocket icon was also successfully placed on the site. Finally, if you want to support our channel, we have prepared a pack of 200 beautiful scroll to top icons that you can use in your projects. These icons are optimized for display on the website and include different topics. To use these icons, after purchasing and downloading, go to the PNG folder and select your favorite icon. I chose icon number 82 here. Now go to the SVG folder and open file number 82 with a text editor. Now copy this SVG code and put it in your functions.php file. Let's try another icon. This time, open icon number 76 with a text editor and place it in the functions.php file. The icon size is small, let's make it a little bigger. That's it. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.